is Creative Analytics and how can they help you build your business credit? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about during today's training. We're going to dive in and decode Creative Analytics and talk about how you can tap into this special vendor to help get access to the resources you need to grow your business while building your business credit at the same time. By the end of this training, you're going to know how to access a phenomenal vendor to help you build business credit. You're going to know what it takes to get approved, where to go to get approved, and at the end of this training, I'm even going to get you access to our special Fundability mini course that will help you meet all the criteria to get approved for Creative Analytics and many other business credit vendors. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Okay, so who is Creative Analytics? Well, Creative Analytics is a great company that offers all kinds of services, including website creation and branding and marketing for your company, which is awesome. Because when it comes to business credit vendors, it's really tough to find ones that really provide unique value to your business. So let's be honest, any business owner needs to build a good website and work on the branding and marketing of their company. So Creative Analytics not only gives you access to the services you need to do this, but they'll also issue up to a $10,000 credit line to be able to purchase their services. And they actually report that credit line to Equifax and CreditSafe. Now, I love that because Equifax is one of the hardest credit reporting agencies to get business credit vendors to even report to. So anytime you can actually get credit with a vendor that reports that trade line to Equifax is a huge win when it comes to business credit building. Not to mention, a $10,000 credit line to use to start building your business credit is phenomenal because that helps you get even higher credit limits as you get access to more vendors in the future. And not only can Creative Analytics help you with website and branding, but they'll also help you with SEO, they'll also help you with content production, as well as overall strategy of how to actually use marketing to be able to grow your business. Plus, they'll give you access to a net 30 account, which means you have up to 30 days to pay back what you're actually borrowing from them. So you can get the access to the resources you need to start growing your business, get leads in the door, and then have 30 days to pay back that trade line. And as you pay back, you're able to build your business credit at the same time. So why is this one of my favorite vendors to start building business credit? Well, first of all, hey, it's a $10,000 credit line. They're one of the only sources out there that offer this high of a credit line, which means that your future approvals will be high as well. As I already mentioned, they report to two credit reporting agencies, CreditSafe, which is one of the biggest credit reporting agencies in the United States, up and coming, and Equifax, one of the hardest to find vendors to report to business credit reporting agencies as well. Plus, they will issue you a credit with no credit check and no personal guarantee. That's right, there's no personal liability, and you can get approved regardless of how good or bad your personal credit may be. And if you follow their steps, get approved, they oftentimes report in only 30 days. So this means it's way faster than some other vendor sources, which can take up to 90 days to actually get reported. That's exactly why I'm doing this review of Creative Analytics, because it's such a powerful vendor to help you start building your initial business credit. So how do you get approved? Well, what's nice about Creative Analytics is they don't look at your personal credit. You're not required to have a personal credit check. You're not required to have a personal guarantee as well. The other nice thing about Creative Analytics is you don't have to have collateral, so it's unsecured credit line, and you also don't have to supply tax returns, bank statements, and other financials. What you really need to do is make sure your business is set up where it's credible. We call this fundability. So lenders and credit issuers have a secret formula they use to determine if you should be approved for credit financing, and when you look at a starter vendor like Creative Analytics, it's essential that you get that fundability on point because it's the main thing that's going to be used to qualify you for the credit line. So what's fundability? Well, you want to make sure you have a business address. You want to make sure you have a business phone number, have a business website, have a business email address, get a license for your business if you can get one, a business merchant account, a business bank account as well. Make sure you have an entity set up, preferably an LLC or a corporation. You also want to make sure that you tap in and you have your EIN number and DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet. Those are just a handful of the 125 criteria factor of fundability that lenders and credit issuers like Creative Analytics look at, but make sure that your fundability is on point. If you do that one thing, there's a great chance you can get approved. Speaking of fundability, if you want the shortcut to build your fundability, make sure you grab our mini course that lays out the exact steps and everything you need to know to have rock solid fundability that will help you qualify for Creative Analytics account amongst many others. You can grab that mini course just by simply clicking the link in the description to this training. So make sure you take that step right now. Hey, and give us a call for a free finance assessment as well. If you're interested in building your business credit, we'll give you tips and tactics to do so. We even help you get your business credit reports at no cost. You're able to get that by giving us a call at 877-600-2487. That's 877-600-2487. Did you get value from this training? If so, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.